Alright, FFW.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly has issued a flash flood warning for northeastern Ocean County in southern New Jersey until 10:15 p.m. At 6:11 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 1.5 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1 to 2.5 inches in 1 hour.
Excuse me.
Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard flash. Flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. A widespread 1 to 2 inches of rain is expected, with embedded higher totals. Manaloking, Pleasant Plains, Holiday City South, Leisure Village East, Leisure Village West, Pine Lake Park, Holiday City Berkeley, Dover Beach, mostly sunny. Encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.